Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add weights to your products on Shopify. So let's get right into it. Now, from your dashboard, you're going to want to go into your products section in the menu to the left. Once you're here, if you don't have a product, you're going to want to add one, and you're just going to do the basic setup. I'll just add a random string of letters in the title and the description. Then I'm gonna not upload a picture. Category, I'll just set it to whatever, keep it as is. Then add a price and cost per item, just like so. You can click to charge tax on the product, and then when you're in your menu still, you can go down into shipping, and you can check off that this is a physical product, and you'll have the option to set the weight. You can choose the measurement type. You can do it in kilograms, grams, ounces, and pounds. I'll just keep it at kilograms, and you just type in the number, and you can also add customs information here if you want, but otherwise, to add the weight, that is all I have to do. Now I'm going to save this product, and it's going to take me back to the products page, which will then look like a list which has this product over here. And as you can see, I have 0 in stock because I didn't set everything up. But if I wanted to change the weight, all you have to do is just click on the product, scroll down until you get to shipping again, and just change the weight like so. Click save, and that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.